Hello friends, welcome to DigiLiterate YouTube channel. So you send an email, you expect it to land in the inbox, but instead it keeps disappearing into the spam. Now whether you are sending an email to a client, a lead, or a newsletter list, this keeps happening and it's costing you money, trust and replies. In this video, I will show you the real reason why your emails are getting flagged and how a tool called Inboxally helps fix it automatically. So now let's go to the laptop screen and see how to land in the primary inbox of your client and not in the spam folder. So now we are on our laptop screen and you can see the website inboxally.com. So you need to visit this and it's also provided in the description that you can check. There are some free tools available by the way to get started. Like you can check if your emails are landing in spam. You can also check if the content of your email campaign have some trigger words that are leading your emails to the spam folder. So they are great tools, you can check them out and they're very easy to use. And there are some other tools like Warmup Planner that will see shortly, and spam database lookups. So if they will check if your domain is of your email is blacklisted by some top websites like Google, Yahoo, etc. So yeah, now to get started, all you need to do is click on login and create your account. So you get 10 days of free trial. Make sure you use your business email. Normal emails like gmail.com, yahoo.com won't work over here. So once you have your free trial, this is how the dashboard will look like. Now once you're on the dashboard, don't get overwhelmed. By the way, let me just take this over here. We are currently on the dashboard, so what you are seeing right now is a demo, or you can say a sample data they have given, like what, when you send your actual data, how the reports will look like. You can see this is how it looks like how many emails you have sent, how many emails went to primary inbox of your clients, how many emails went to spam folder. So you can track all this data and latest engagement. I will come to that, but yeah, this is the demo, and you can see how many, like before, how many emails used to go to spam folders, and over the time how the data change, and now all your 100% emails are going to inbox. So all this data you will track once you start sending real campaigns, right? So this is the dashboard part, by the way. So to get started, there is a guided setup. So all you need to do is follow this guided setup and you are good to go. So just click on this guided setup, and there are like 4 steps you need to follow. First, you need to click on start setup, and here you need to choose your sender email address. What is sender email address? Sender email address is basically the email that you are going to use to send mass email campaigns to your client, leads, etc. So currently, suppose I'm using this sender email address, so I'll just choose the same. But suppose you are using some other email address to send mass email campaigns, but you have opened the Inboxally account with some other email, then you can type in here the email address, because it's very important, because sender email address is very important. It should be 100% accurate, because we need to improve the reputation of this email address, right? Because then only you will be having the benefits, right? So just click on next. Now you can watch this video to understand what how seed emails are used. But once you watch it, it's very simple. So if I have to explain you what are seed emails, you will see this word very often when you are using this tool. Seed emails are basically the list of emails that are provided by Inboxally. So they have their own list of email. What you have to do is, whenever suppose you have a 100 email list that you are going to send using any email marketing tool, mass email marketing tool, in that 100 emails you need to add these seed emails. So when you add those seed emails, what happens is, like suppose 100 emails are of your email subscribers and 30 emails are of suppose seed emails that are provided to you by Inboxally. I will show you how, where the emails are shortly. What happens is, suppose 100 emails are going to your email subscribers. Now they might ignore your email, they might mark it as spam, but the 30 emails that are you are going to send to um, they are owned by Inboxally. So when you send those emails, Inboxally, who owns these seed emails, what will do is it will mimic some engagement. It will mark your email as important. It will mark your email from spam folder to primary inbox. It will engage with your email. So what happens with this is, the Gmail, your email service provider thinks that, okay, so the 30 emails suppose are having showing great engagement, right, when in your email campaign. So it will think that, oh, your domain is of reputation, you are sending good emails, so it will not mark your all your emails as spam. So over the time it will improve. I hope it's the simple explanation, but if you want more simpler explanation, comment down below, I'll make you understand. But yeah, click here to finish the setup. And yeah, so congratulations on successfully adding Ankita, this email sender email. And I have created my first sender profile. Sender profile is nothing but like a basic thing like my account. If you go, then you will see that this is the sender profile, basically the name, business email. This is the sender profile, what is your business name and all that stuff. That's fine. So the next step is what? Let me go to the dashboard. Wait a minute. Now, as we were discussing seed emails, so these are the emails you can see. These are the emails that are provided by Inboxally. So what you have to do is you have to just download these seed emails, and once you have this copy, right? Let me show you. This copy, what you have to do is add into your main email mailing list. Suppose you have some 100 other similar data, like you basically have in their email their first name. So just copy this data and add into your main email list. So when you are sending your campaign, you also have to send the emails to this. So what happens is when you send to this, they will be engaging with your email, because they are owned by Inbox Alley, right? So they are going to increase your reputation. Make sure to add this, copy paste this emails and add into your main mailing list. So every time you send your email campaign, you will also send the emails to this list of emails. Understood? I hope you do, right? So that's all you have to do, right? Add seed emails. So it has like different type of seed emails: Yahoo, Gmail, G Suite. So they are giving a nice combination of all type of seed emails. So no matter what type of service provider you are using, you are getting benefit of it, right? So yeah, you need to just manage the seed if you need. Yeah, so that's enough for you to understand for now. Now, you need to follow this checklist, by the way. If you see, this is a basic guideline you have to follow. Now you can just click on send a broadcast. So what is broadcast? Broadcast is very simple. Basically whatever the email campaigns you are sending, right? Obviously that email campaigns will have this seed emails like we just discussed now. So what happens is, this email campaign will so yeah, so broadcast is basically the email campaigns that you are sending. Let me go to the broadcast. I can't see right now the broadcast tab because I haven't sent any email. So let me just log in quickly to the account where I already sent some emails. So we can access this because this is a new account and I haven't sent any details. So we have limited data. So let me just quickly get back. Okay, so now I am on the account where I have sent some real campaigns. As you can see, this dashboard is real. So you can see I sent like 6 emails on 9th September 2025, and you can see the dashboard like 22% of only of my emails went to inbox. 0% went to the promotion tab and 78% were spam. So that's really something I need to worry about. Right, so I need to improve this score. Average inboxing was only 22%, right? Um, you can see seats assigned. So what type of seats email were there? Like 24% were of Gmail, 19% was of Yahoo, and all those stuff. Latest engagement. So this engagement is what is going to improve your um, reputation. And how it works is, suppose this was a seed email that we use in our main campaign, and what it does was it opened my email. So it sent a signal that okay, this sent a signal to my email service provider that someone opened my email, and this was no one but the email that was owned by Inbox Ally. Like you can see someone from the CD mail opened or moved my email from spam to inbox. So again, it sent a good signal, right? So broadcast, that was I talking. You can see that also over here quickly. You can also go in this broadcast section, by the way. It's the same thing, nothing much difference. Basically it's the different type of email campaigns you have sent. So I have sent this first email campaign on 27th September, and how much, like one mail, two emails I sent. One mail went to the inbox and one went to the spam folder. So 50% was my email open read. Same like 6 I sent, 5 went to the spam folder. So only 17% email landed in the inbox, right? So this is what broadcast is. So I hope you understood. And the reports are nothing but the more granular or more micro version of the same broadcast that we sent. Like you can see on 9th September I sent like 6 emails. You can see like how much of them went to the primary inbox, how much of them went to the spam folder, and all those stuff, right? So these are the data that we see, and you can see what the broadcast that we sent, right, which you already saw. So that is what report is. So we covered report, we covered broadcast. Domain reports are nothing but your health of your email service provider. Have you configured DMARC for your inbox, for your email provider? If you haven't, then you are high chances of getting into spam folder, so make sure you configure that. Have you configured SPF? Have you configured MX record? These are all important things. Make sure you should. So it definitely show your domain report, basically the health of your domain. So GP is not that important, but yeah, DMRC is very important, SPF is very important, max record is very important. So make sure you configure that. You can definitely do it from here, so it's easy. So we covered that. We covered seed emails, right? Seed emails, you know now. Send the email that we already know, the email that we use to send mass campaign. So you can see I also verified this email. um, so you can also verify the domains. I also verified my domain, which is very important, because whenever you send some type of links in your email campaign, then if you have this verified, then there are more chances of not going to spam folder. So hope you understood what are sender email, you know the seed emails are, right? uh, Let me now go to the email list verification. As you know that if you have some email campaign sending, right, so you might be having a list of subscribers or emails that you are sending mass emails to, but some of the emails may get bounced, right? And when you send the email campaign and some of them goes bounce or don't are invalid, then what happens is your domain reputation goes decrease, is going to get decrease. So verifying your email list is very important. So when you verify your email list, you get to know what type of emails are valid, what type of invalid. So you remove the clean the email list, right? So you do get 500 email credits. So make sure you utilize them. So that's email verification. Now placement tester. So placement tester is what, you need to again download all these tester seed emails, like just like you do for seed emails. You know, you do for seed emails what you do, you download the list, you add it to the main email list that you are going, and you send a normal email campaign like you do. Same you need to do placement tester. Now placement tester main motto is what, the main motto is like, suppose you started sending seed emails with your main campaign, but after a while, like suppose 1 month you did, and but now you need in the beginning, suppose 50% of your emails were landing in spam folder, but after 1 month you need to check like how many of the emails are going to get landed in the spam folder, how many of them are landing in the inbox. So this is for a sample test, yes, tester sent email they give. So just you download them and send, so you get to know like how many of them are going to land in spam folder. Like you can see I tested this, and you can see one email I sent and it went to the spam folder. You can see the report. This is how you get the report, like how many of the primary inbox, how much emails are getting landed, how many emails are going to promotion, how many of them are going to spam. So these are the type of these are the type of reports you can expect in the placement tester. Now email audit is the same thing, but it's more granular, like you get to know more details. Like again, you need to do the same thing. You need to download this list, download this email audit seed list, uh, send a normal campaign along with your main campaign. So just add these emails into your main email list that you have and send it, so you get to know these things, right? You will get this report. Currently I have not sent, so there is no report right now over here. But once you do what I said, you will get to know like this, like how many of your SPF record, how it is, how is your DKIM setting looks great. So all this you will know, like are they passing on these parameters or not. So I hope you understood this email audit things too. So yeah, and lastly I would like to cover is Warmup Planner, right? So how many seed emails you need to send, how many emails you can send per day, all those planning you need to do is in the Warmup Planner. It gives you a ready-made planning material that you can use to plan your email campaigns accordingly, right? Let me show you what email Warmer Planner is. So you just need to first select your sender profile. Basically, the email mass email campaigns that you are sending with the emails with. What deliverability matrix do you want to use? So there are two type of deliverability matrix. One is compliant rate and inbox rate. Compliant rate is basically um, the rate at which the people report you for having sending emails that are junk or spam, right? They give a complaint that okay, this is, they mark it like this is spam, this is junk. So if you know that complaint rate, you can choose this. If you know the inbox rate, right, how many number of percentage of inbox emails are getting getting placed into the inbox, like we just saw. So you choose whatever the option is, and let's go with the inbox rating. So if you know that like 50% of my emails are going to go in the spam folder and 50% will go into the inbox, go for that. How are you contacts at your list? So the email list that you send mass emails to, did they opt in by themselves, or they are cold, like they are basically cold leads that you scrapped from somewhere. So you need to choose that email sent per day. how many emails do you send per day? Suppose for example we'll take 100. um, then domain sending history. So is your domain old and established or it's new? Choose that. Now postmaster domain reputation, you need to choose high, medium or low. Postmaster is basically this, you need to go here and get your domain verified over here, and postmaster.google.com, and then you will see the domain reputation. You will see that right now the date I just verified my domain, so there is no data, but it will show in, so it will show in terms of like medium, high, low. So just go here and get yourself and you will know that. Daily send it, so just click on generate plan. So once you click on generate plan, it will create a plan for you. So based on your based on these parameters, what it recommend you is you need to send daily 40 emails, 40 seed emails. So you need to take those seed emails that you know, add in your email campaign, main email campaign. At least 40 emails you take and send it daily, right? Send ratio, sends on inbox at least seed emails has a percentage of total volume. So it's basically, suppose you are sending 100 emails in total. So 60 emails should be from your main email campaign, that you have the existing subscriber list, and 40 emails should be from these seed emails. So maintain that ratio. How aggressively do you want to repair? Now if you want to repair your or boost deliverability, choose default or more depending on it, and it will change this. Like if it's default, then it will show you this, like inbox at least send emails. Like you need to send, obviously, as you can see above, like you need to send 40 seed emails per day based on these parameters to improve your email deliverability or reaching the primary inbox. And opt-in email sent, so how much emails you need to send daily. You can see you need to start gradually at small. So that is called warm up, right? You can't just send 1,000 emails per day in the first day itself and expect that why my emails are getting in spam folder. You need to start slow. Start with 40 emails sending first day, then 100. Then you can see they are recommending 100 emails per day. That, like, we told them, right? But we need to gradually start from at this level, 50, right? So yeah, that was warm up planner. There is also an email content tester, by the way. So suppose you need to check, like you have a subject line, you need to, and you have a body, email body. You need to check some of the keywords that can get triggered by the or marked has flagged by the email service provider for spam. Then you need to remove those keyword and replace with non-spammy keywords, so you don't land in spam folder. So just click on fix my email, then it will automatically fix your email over here. You can also check the scoring of your subject line. It will give a score, like how much score your subject score is 75. So yeah, there are 3 spam words you can see. You can just remove those. So yeah, this is also a nice tool. So basically we covered everything from start to end, how to set up things, how to so I hope you understood. There was no jargons or nothing. It's clear, actionable thing for you to take action. So sender profile is basically the mass email that you send. Seed emails is basically the email addition that you will do in your main email campaign. So those seed emails will engage with your emails, and increase your domain reputation. There are some email list verification feature. There is warm-up planner, email content tester. Everything is discussed. I hope you understood. And if you still have any doubt, comment down below. I will guide you step by step. And thanks for watching. Check the link in the description. I will see you in my next video.